In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Today it's Jan 31st Wednesday market 9:15 a.m. From opening it's a sell call momentum downside direction. But today first call, the fresh buy call generated at 9:44 a.m. after 30 minutes of market opening. So the buy call generated at buy at 45,751. That straight white line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below that red color line is the stop loss line. First target is more than a 100-point target. Second target is more than a 200-point target. Like this, daily basis, it will generate calls automatically. So how you are watching the video right now, daily basis you will watch this chart and get the call. You can do manual trading as well as auto trading also. For more plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Let's wait and see how this generated buy call work out. After 10 o'clock, a sudden bullish momentum. During this time, it successfully break out the first target range. From opening itself, in first two candle, market break out the 90-point momentum, and continuous bullish momentum, it break out the second target range also. So from opening itself, market was in rising momentum, so it easily break out 46,000. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.